Ah, well, time for a brew maybe.
Time for a brew? What time for a brew? Been far too busy. Far too busy. Obviously we're still in winter, guys, and we've been doing some upgrades on the van with a new step, electric 12 volt Thule step installed. That's been a busy week installing that, getting that up and running. Great though, nice, easy to get in. Some of these Fiat Ducatos are quite high, and you know, getting up there into them is a little difficult. Makes life a lot easier, especially for old boys like myself with bad knees. We've put in a new extractor fan. I'll show that in the video as well. We've got a new 12 volt inhale as well as exhale fan over the bed, as well as one over my head, which will make the airflow in the van an awful lot better in the height of summer. So please come along. As I said, we hope to be visiting quite a few places this year, getting out there, enjoying the summer when it comes. We'll probably get the bike out as well. You've got someone who's 30 years in the narrowboat industry, so I've got a bit of knowledge. Obviously technology moves on, and with installation of Victron equipment and also new batteries and things like that, lithium batteries, lithium polymer batteries are all the rage now. So yeah, there's all sorts of stuff we look at. Please subscribe to the channel, hit that button, like the channel, that'd be great. If you want to comment, make a comment. If we can help you in any way, shape or form, please feel free to get in touch. If we can help you, we will. That's what it's all about. Let's help people along on this journey. But yeah, please come along on this journey with us. Love you to join us.